4, 3, 2, 1.
So I think we'll just do 60 push-ups. Tingin natin sa tatlo. So 3 sets. First set pala, 20 reps monthly. Let's go. So next workout, dalawa lang naman, is pull-ups. Let's do as many reps as I can. Bruh. Bruh. So, what's up guys? We're back with another vlog. And I'm sweating, galing ang work. Hang out with some co-workers. Now, eating my packed lunch that day. Chicken, breast, and veggies. It's my first time filming at night since Tuesday ngayon. Push-ups, pull-ups. Bukas, it's the start of our run. Anong week na ba tayo? It's week 14 na natin out of 23. And for those who don't know, may pinaghahandaan tayong race. I don't know if it's a fun race. See, UP great na it's great. So, sinalihan ko talaga siya para like to compete. Sige, sayang naman kaya kung di ko magagalingan. So, I'm planning to run a 16-kilometer race under, di naman under, may ano lang ako, target time, 1 hour 30 in 16 kilometers. I think, okay na yun, malakas na siya. So, bukas, ano tayo? We have tempo 8 kilometers bukas. So this one will be hard kasi ano to eh, repeats ng mabilis na race. So tomorrow is hard day and Thursday magano lang tayo. Legs, pero gawin ko ng plyometrics since it's an end of a month. Every end of month nagpapahinga ako sa gym ng 1 week para recovery na. This is that week na magpapahinga ako sa gym, which is I really love. Fucking day. Dito, Kobe. Good guy. Good guy. Are you a good guy? So habang ayusin ko lang tong nilondre ko, we're going to prep our running fit for tomorrow morning. 5 a.m. Ako gigising. Eh, hindi, pangit. Gising siguro 4:30 para onting kain, cereal or saging lang. Tapos nun, ready na ako gumayak. At least, if 5 a.m. yung sports center, ay sana open sila tomorrow. Wait, teka. Let's check the sports center if open sila. And June 17, all facilities open 5 a.m. to 12 midnight. So, 4:30, I'm gonna eat my breakfast or not. Pero mas maganda mag-eat ako kasi 8 kilometer tempo yun eh. So mag-eat talaga ang breakfast, suot damit, brush, wanting like wash my face, brush, and out. Para pagdating natin dun 5 a.m. na, mag-ano na lang ako, stretching. Eh, bago pa lang ako mas dapat mag-roll ako. Mag-roll mo ako muscles. So ganda nga dito na ako stretch eh, para dun salang na. Ngayon, mag-ayos lang ang laundry. So guys, we already prepared ating gamit. Water. Ang ano. Of course, hydration. Plus shades. Music. Because it will be a long run. And a belt bag. So that's it for tonight, guys. I'll see you in the morning. Bye. So, good morning, guys. And magising lang natin. Ngayon, mag-stretch muna tayo para hindi na tayo stretch mamaya. And then, isip ko magbaon ng gel since medyo malayo yung tatakboy natin. Let's see. Baon tayo ng ziplock at baka mapawisan yung cellphone natin. So clean. Lang tayo. Dynamic stretchings. So, ang ruta natin is pa-highway. Pa-highway tayo. Tapos, pa-Marikina. Like sa highway, para flat. Tapos diretso. And, yun. Pag 4 km na, babalik na ako. Para saktong 8 km ang ating tinakbo. So, this is the weather today, guys. I mean, the sky. The weather is sky. Anyway, ready na. Ready na ang aking watch. Ay, yun. Ready na siya. Let's go. So guys, we're 1 kilometer in. Dito na ako sa highway. And we're running 5:45 in 1 kilometer. On and off to like 1 kilometer rest, 1 kilometer rest na puro 5:45, meaning mabilis yung 5:45, guys. So hihingalin talaga ako. Anyway, see y'all in a bit. Let's go. So what's up, guys? I had to pause para may video now. So here's the 4 kilometer mark. Bulaga. Dito na ata. Rizal na to, bande, alam ko. Anyway, beautiful morning. And, mabalik na tayo. for our 8-kilometer tempo. So, see you guys at home. What's up guys? Tapos na tayo sa tempo natin. Mali pala kanina. Ano siya? 1 kilometer 5:45 after ng set na yon, ng 1 kilometer na yan. 1 kilometer 5:30 agad. So, di ako nakapag-film ng madami. Kasi, bilis eh. Baka puro gato yun, puro alog. So ngayon, we're 7 minutes in. 45 minutes na. I'm gonna say good run siya. That's already an average ng 5K. 45 minutes average siya. Sa run na to, I feel di ako like 100% kasi di ako makakip up ng consistent dun sa pace ko for a long time, pero tinapos ko. Hindi ako naglakad daw, pinipilit kong hindi maglakad those sets. Oo, parang masakit yung talampakan. Nakaraan ko parang may buto na masakit. Chose to do the run anyway kahit masakit. Pag kinwit ko na agad, if I have a quitting mindset, dadala ko ito sa sa ibang mga weeks ko ng training, which is bad. Kaya ngayon I'm on week 14. Just gotta do it and not be a bitch. Tip lang guys, since maybe tumakbo na rin kayo, do your runs 80% easy, just 20% hard, para di kayo mababurn out. Kasi di pwedeng puro day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 hanggang months, years. So mahirap ma-burnout. Okay lang tumakbo ng 3 km, 1 nga, may ganun eh. Or walk run, or walk muna kayo. Ganun ba? Mahalaga, stay consistent kasi co-compound, mag-i-stack yung mga efforts yan. 3 months pa lang naman ako, pero I think I see the effects. Anyway, I'm on my way home, so catch you guys at home. So guys, we just did a 8-kilometer run. Average pace natin 6:56. Tapos natin under an hour, which is good kasi may pasok pa ako eh. Our average HR 156. Okay, bumababa even though tempo dati mataas yan eh. And we're gonna recover 41 hours. Sabi sa watch. And magpe-prepare lang ako ng breakfast and out. We out. Go to the office now. Go about our day. And Kobe, dito. Saka lang ako ko, Kobe. Ano to eh, may trabaho to guys. Joyride siya. Mamaya, babiyahe na rin siya. Right? Okay. So, good morning guys. It's Thursday, June 18. It's my mom's birthday too. But right now, this morning, yun, nakapag-prep ng meal ko, ng chicken. Di ba bumili ako kagabi ng gulay? Wala din. Hindi ko na-defrost si chicken. So ito muna din-defrost ko. Titimplahan ko lang na parang salmon. Tandoori. Simpleng timpla lang. Tapos isasaksak ko sa air fryer. Okay na to eh. Baon lang. Or dalawa na. Di ko alam kung ano to eh, pero maalat to. Like kahit konti lang, sobrang alat yan. Tapos chili powder. Okay, dami. Air fryer. Ang ating cream dory. Okay. Air fryer. 10 minutes. Wait natin. Habang inaantay natin maluto, prepare na natin yung ano natin, baonan. Nagtunga na lang kanin. Since nagpainit pala ako, magbabaan ako ng kape. Sarap nito. Black. Parang ano tayo. Coffee from Sweden. Let's check kung naluluto talaga. Ano siya? Patapos na in 10 minutes. And I think depende to. Nagdagan natin. Another 15. So what's up guys? We're here at Ayala Philippe. It's my mom's birthday. Ha? Si Eknen. And we're gonna eat here at Miguel and Maria's. So this is my meal, guys. And this is the rest of the meal. Right? So we're here in Angko, guys. Gumanog and Mark. Ala, yan maganda. Para sa akin.
Basag na naman to pag naman.
Go. Go.
Ito pa yan.
Go.
Babayar natin.
Go. Go. Okay. Yun lang. Try mo yung iba. Ha? Sukat mo sa kanya yung bowl.
Uy, ba't ka nakatingin dun
Ba't
sa...
tumatawa ka, sheep?
Bakit ano, large lang?
Go, kain ka na.
Just.
Kala niya kakain siya. Or masyado maliit. Maliit ata.
Sabi ko lang. Ito lang yung ano, kainan.
Manigayo. Go. Okay, higaan na. Go. Higa na. Hala.
Ay, gogo, gusto mo.
Ay, gusto mami. Gusto mo yan?
Pero dapat na sa higaan. Hindi ko gusto niya gilid.
Uy, inaantok na siya.
Magkano?
Inaantok na siya. And baka yung mga may, ano, yung mga bear. Kuha ka, Bill. Kuha isa. Go, dito, dito. Dito, come on, let's go.
Ayaw niya.
Oh, dito, go. Tago ka na.
Ayaw niya.
Bala ka. Natatakot siya.
Ano pipili? Miguel, ito o dito? Ito.
Yan na lang.
Ito?
Yun o. Twin.
Ito? Plastic?
Pwede na yan. So, good evening guys. Time check is 9:57 and we're about to sleep. So maghahanda lang tayo ng panakbo natin kasi tatakbo pa rin ako ng morning ng 8 kilometers. Easy run lang naman, so I think pwede na yan. Okay na siguro kasi medyo feeling sick tayo and tired, but easy run lang naman. Let's see. Pero magpe-prepare na rin ako para handa na rin tomorrow morning para hindi ako maka-no. So guys, see you tomorrow morning. So good morning guys, it's 5 a.m. June 19, Friday. Medyo okay naman na ako. Like, hindi na ako feeling sick. So we're gonna run our 8 kilometer today. Let's go. Kain muna ako ng saging lang. And then, okay na. Banat na tayo. So guys, we're about to go for a run. Ano na ba? 6 a.m. Medyo late na. Natamad ako kasi kanina. Pero, hindi pwede. And we have to do this shit. Anyway, let's go. We reach our 4 kilometer mark here at Santa Lucia, and it's currently 6:28. So parang anong oras ba yun? 30 minutes pabalik ulit. So 7 o'clock sa bahay na tayo. Ligo na lang. Baon na lang siguro pagkain. Anyway, see you at home. So guys, we're done with our 8-kilometer run. And tapos tayo 56 minutes and 40 seconds with pace of 7 minutes and 05 averaging. Dapat zone 2 lang tayo ngayon. Kaso malilate ako kaya pumalo ako ng konti. Tapos ano tayo, base. Sakto. Nice. Base. Dito nag-threshold or something. So good ang ating run kahit pumalo tayo sa zone 2. So anyway, malilate na ako sa work. So magpe-prepare lang ako. Peace. So good morning guys. It's June 20, Saturday, 9:27 a.m. And today ano tayo, like ang dami tayong gagawin. First is pupunta tayo na Bulacan. Punta tayo Bulacan. Sunduin natin si girl. And kukunin namin yung race kit namin sa MOA. Kasi sumali kami na Pride Run. And after that, may Father's Day dinner kami sa Hashi sa Green Hills. And sa Sunday, may run kami sa MOA ng Pride Run. I'm gonna be running 10K, si girl 5K. Tune in for today's video. We're going to claim our race kits here sa MOA. Ito. We got our email ready.
Matigas.
So ina-unbox namin yung race kit ko. Unfortunately wala pa siya. Parang yun yung sa ano, sa pet. Ganyan yun.
Hindi masyadong malaki para sa
So sa akin to.
low.
So ito yung ano ko. Field number. Kanina inisip ko ano to ngayon. Male pala.
Kailangan natin ano
Yeah, male, women, non-binary. Non-binary yan ah. Race kit. So what's up guys? It's 7 p.m. and nandito tayo ngayon sa Green Hills for may Father's Day dinner. Wala, ang cute. May snow na bus like. Anyway, kakain tayo sa Hashi. And kasama namin si girl. Like that. Si Mark and si Ate. So see you guys there.
Kasi pag ginash naman ang tapos tinipan ka po sa
Ngayon, nakasandot po. Wala. Okay, kanta ka.
Plastic eh.
Tara na. Ayun na, exit. Wala. Nakita ko rin yung nag-exit dito, ani. Oh. So, good morning guys. Nandito na tayo sa MOA. Wala pa tayo sa Race Village. Pero, dito pa lang kami sa parking. And it's 3:30 a.m. Magwa-warm up pa ako. So, see you guys in the race. But first, here's the fit. Let's go. I'm aiming for a sub 1 hour 10K. Let's see. Ganun, naiiba ka. So we're here at the village na, guys. Oh, this is Pikachu. Mag-claim lang si girl ng race kit niya kasi di pa siya naubusan ng jersey. So here's their event. Are we taking our first gel? Apa? It's my first time taking energy gel. Probably 15 minutes before. That's 30 minutes. I don't know, it's my first time.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good morning, beautiful people! I love it! Wave to my Jackie runners! Come on!
2-kilometer mark, and we're averaging 5:10 pace so far. We're looking good. Ngayon, mag-stabilize na ako. Ngayon tayo sa Paque. First landmark, Star City. Let's go. 10K. We're 5K in, and I think we broke a PR. I thought parang 27 minutes and 53 seconds. Now this is where the race really begins. The last 5K. Let's go. So we're almost finished. 1.5 left na lang. And it's a 2-minute mark. There was this guy. He's telling me, kasi pantay lang kami. He's telling me to keep patient. Patient my fucking ass. I've been waiting to break my fucking PR. And he said, patience my fucking ass. Like, what the fuck? Sabihin mo na lang, di mo kaya yung fucking patient. I broke fucking PR. Let's go. Fucking go, man. Did
I'll be right, man.
54 minutes.
Father's Day. Guys, good morning.
Did 54 minutes and 10K. Woo. Let's fucking go. I think I broke another PR, 5K too. So 10K, bro.
Thank you, happy Pride.
hindi na natin siya makita. Pero andito na yung wave niya. Nasa unahan daw siya. So, we'll wait na lang sa finish line. First wave of 5K. So, like I said, we're done sa ating 10K. And hanap lang ako spot na nasa lubong natin si girl. Here's my metal purple glitter. Tatlo kulay daw nito eh. Nakalimutan ko yung dalawa. Anyway, tayo sa kabila sa finish line. So guys, nag-kick in na yung adrenaline. Sakit na putang inang pa ako. And paika-hika ako. Fuck. Buhay na buhay ang MOA. Look. Supposedly alam ko may bagyo ngayon. Mamaya pa siguro. Hey guys, happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to my dad. I love you. I hope you know you are loved. Anyway, happy Father's Day. Nice flowers. So while we're waiting, tangin na basang-basa lang. So while we're waiting, kunin natin yung ano natin. I don't know, freebie. I think may freebie tayo. Ito. 10 km finishers. So we got a fucking banana. Let's go. W Pride. And kumuha rin ang ano, Monster Energy drink. Dati nag-allergic reaction ako dito. Pero anyway, unti-unti lang naman iniinom na. Ay hindi naman ako na dito specifically. In-allergy ako sa Tiger Energy Biscuit. Eh, energy rin yun. Lahat naman ng food, ngayon ko na naman lahat ng food energy. So anyway, baka ano lang yan, trigger. Let's go, beautiful sun, beautiful morning. So, unbox natin yung ating loot. Loot bag. Oh, that's a big ass flower. Ano ba? Basang-basahin pa ako. So, tubig. Ano to? Okay. Gamot. Usually gamot binibigay sa Lone Pass. O ano meron? Okay. Lubricant. Okay, lubricant pala yun. Ito. Collagen. Quaker Oats. Dumudulas. Noodles. Oh nice. Meron naman ito sa bahay. Tubig. And ano to? Lubricant. Okay, PR. Tangina, naka 53 pala ako. Okay, fastest 5K, 26. Nice. Okay. 10 kilometers. 54, 30. Baan yun? Moving time yung 54. Anyway, PR pa rin naman ako, sub 1. I saw Coach Rio. Nagpa-picture ako. Let's go. Kailan pa kaya yan?
Well, this year lang. Ay, naku ka. Para live. Di ba live siya?
Yeah.
May Samsung eh. May mga
Ito, third show.
Ayan nga, nag-launch ito yung UP. Yan, maganda. Lagi ka na sa'yo.
So, bumili kami ng ano. Ewan ko, first edition yun ng UP jersey. Anyway, kasi lagi naman kami nag-UP.
Hot.
Verdict. Nice. We saw food. Dito kami sa Waffle House.